Hey guys, welcome back to Forlitz Sky, the garden and cooking channel. In today's video, I will show you guys the easiest and simple lemon chicken wings. Who doesn't like chicken? Come on, it's fried chicken, and I'll assure you it tastes so yummy. If you are interested in seeing how it's done, please stay tuned up to the end of this video. In these 3 consecutive uploads, we made 3 dishes out of lemons and herbs. In episode 1, we made a beverage out of lemons and mints, and we called it lemonade. In this episode 2, we are going to make an appetizer out of lemons and basil, and we called it lemon fried chicken wings. If you are new here, hey, welcome to Forlitz Sky Cooking. I upload content every week about cooking using ingredients from my backyard. So be sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these delicious recipes. Do not forget to like this video and let's get started. So now I'm on my second dish, lemon dish number 2, and that is chicken wings. First, wash the chicken wings thoroughly with running water. These chicken wings are pre-washed, so the next thing we need to do is marinate the wings with lemons. First, so we need to cut the lemon, of course. Make sure to roll the lemon before cutting. The rolling loosens and breaks down some of the citrus membranes and makes the outside a little more pliable or easy to squeeze. When marinating the chicken, rub the lemon thoroughly into the chicken skin. By doing that, the flavor of lemon will get into the chicken. Let me show you. After you clean it with lemon, now it's ready for us to season. Salt and pepper, pinch of chili flakes like this. That's it. Let me prepare the basil. I love putting basil in my fried meat. I got this bunch of basils from my garden, put them on top of each other, roll them like this, and cut them about 1/8 of an inch, like so, and mix them with the chicken wings. Mix them together with my hands, like this. So let this rest for the next 30 minutes, and while we're waiting for 30 minutes, I am going to prepare our breading. Every time you touch the meat, you have to wash your hands. Now we're going to prepare our breading. We have all-purpose flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Put salt, 2, 3, 4 pepper. I need to put paprika. Just eyeball it, so that we have a little bit of color. Put this bruschetta. It's basically sweet basil and oregano combined together. Like that. Now mix them together and we're ready to cook. Let's beat the egg. One more. Now this time you do not need to put the salt and pepper because we already have salt and pepper on the chicken and on the breading. While I'm beating the eggs, my pot with cooking oil is heating on the stove. And here it is, guys. And at the same time, my BFF is patiently watching me live while filming. And here is our assembly line. Starting with our marinated chicken wings, the beaten egg, the mixed breading, and our plate for the finished product. Let's check the oil temperature. Our goal is 350 degrees and we are going to fry 4 chicken wings at a time to maintain the heat of the oil. Okay, let's get frying. Get the chicken, dip into the egg, shake it, dip into the breading, make sure to cover the whole chicken wing, shake it to remove the excess breading, then straight ahead to the frying pot. Repeat the process until you have 4 chicken wings frying in the pot. We do not want too much breading on your chicken. We want to keep the natural flavor of the chicken. After the last batch of chicken wings, deep fry the basil following the same process as the chicken wings. Dip into the egg, shake, dip into the breading, shake it, then straight to the frying pot. Can you smell it? Smells so delicious. You want some? Here I plated the finished product and we are now ready to taste it. If you like this kind of video, be sure to subscribe, click the notification bell, and smash the like button. I upload gardening and cooking videos every week. Let's start with these wings. Let's see how good is this. It's so good. When you bite and taste it, you can taste the balance of saltiness and sourness of lemon. Even without dipping sauce, just chicken alone is good. And that's it for today, guys. Be safe, be strong, and be positive. Thanks for watching the Forlitz Sky. See you next time.